Today I'm going to make a quick summer salad out of the stuff that we've got out of our garden, all but the purple onion. I already had it. So we're going to make y'all how to do it and how easy and simple it is. So let's turn around here, and we got some chopping to do first, and then we'll get our salad mixed. Okay, I've already washed all my vegetables, but you want to start by chopping your ends off your cucumbers. And then we're going to cut them in real small little dices. Move this over so y'all can see. So you want them real small. But this is just a fast and simple summer salad to use all your vegetables that you're starting to get in the garden. And if you don't like your cucumber with the peeling, you could peel it, but I like the peeling, so we're just leaving it. But if you don't, you can peel your cucumber first. Okay, let me get all this cucumber cut up, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, now we're going to chop us up some of the onion. And this recipe for this salad, we'll be using a half of a purple onion. And you want to cut it up real thin. Okay, once you have your onion cut up in little dices, add that to your dish with the cucumbers. And now we're going to use a tomato. But first I'm going to use my little tomatoes, my cherry tomatoes up. And I'm just going to cut them in little pieces. And now we'll use one of the bigger Roman tomatoes. And you don't want to get the seeds, you just want to get the outer part of the tomato. Try not to get all the seeds and too much of the juice. But this salad is a good salad if you're trying to watch your carbs. This is like a low carb salad. And now we're going to add the rest of this tomato. And now we have a little bit of these little red and yellow peppers, sweet peppers. I'm going to cut those up in little bitty dices. Everything is cut up in little bitty dices. And this summer salad, you can make it as big as you want, and it stores good. So you could have it for a couple days. It's a salad that stores real good, and it'll last for a while. So now we're going to add our little peppers to the dish. Now let's make the dressing. Okay, for the dressing we're going to use 1/4 cup of olive oil. That's 1/4 cup. A little piece of lemon. Squeeze it good in there. Got to get that seed. I got one seed in there. Don't want that. Okay, to that, I'm going to add a little black pepper, a little salt, garlic powder, about 1/8 teaspoon. And I have dried cilantro. If you have fresh, you can use it too. And you can even add it to your salad. Give that a good mix. And that's your salad dressing. And then just take it and drizzle it over the summer salad. And then just give it a toss. And go ahead then and combine all your ingredients together. And if you don't like some of these vegetables, just add what you like. Add what you have in your garden. But it's a way not to let any of your vegetables go to waste. And these little cubes are falling out, but everything here is clean. It's going to be mine and Travis's. So we're putting it back in. Okay. Now let me show y'all what it looks like. Okay. Now there's my version of a great summer salad using all your vegetables you grow in your garden. If y'all like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.